I was doing bad for a minute. Blessed that I came up, so now it's back to the business. It's the process.
Yo, what's up, people? It's A1 Process back at you with another one. Today, I got the Chevelle. I'm about to take it out, get it cleaned up, and check out a few things. Go for a little spin for the day. It's supposed to rain today, so I want to get everything out the way a little early, you know. Let's get to it. I'm gonna take these, I got my chargers on. I'm gonna get I think I showed y'all in the last couple videos. If you didn't see those, check them out, man. Give me some likes, subscribe if you're not subscribed already. But you know, I got my catch can on. I got my sniper EFI kit going. Man, everything, we rocking and rolling with this. Everything nice. But there's still a few kinks gotta work out. I believe I got a new alternator. I gotta put that on. I was having some issues with this one, but I'm gonna check this out actually and see if I can get it rebuilt or fixed or whatever. See what's going on with it. But anyway, let's get to it. Let me get this fired up and I'm gonna get back with you in 1 second. Gotta put some water on here. Yeah. 30 right now. Put this water on here. Check back in. I'm back. Yeah. Tired, sweating. It's humid out here, but we clean. Something like I ain't even got the motivation to wash like I used to, but something like we clean though. We clean. Before you start hating, ask yourself, ain't I clean though? We good. I ain't gotta do nothing, put it back in the garage. Something that splashed from there. I want to clean it off. I don't know where I was at, but something splashed on it the other night when I was riding. We good. Oh yeah, you know what I didn't show y'all? Check it out. I got my car back. Got the headliner done last week. Check that out. Paris upholstery out in Plainfield got me right. It was a nice drive for me too. I drove there and drove back, man. Road beautiful. Oh, we all good now. I gotta see when my lights stop working. We all good. Just gotta finish the rear deck. Then I can put the rest of the trim pieces on. Yeah. Alright, I'm gonna check back in.
now it's back to the business. It's the process, process, process.